Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, Thursday, May the 27th, 2021. We have 3 puzzles left: Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. Yes. So the second one, Sudoku with 4 stars, will be number. This will be number. Let me see. 2854. Alright, 2854. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Then, yeah, for a 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Okay. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Yeah. Let me see. In this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We see a 1 and a 2 in the last row. So no 1 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Oh, alright. Then. Let me see the 2. Okay. So, and now, a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Oh, alright. Then, yeah. Let me think. 3, okay. Yeah. 3. 9, okay. 1, 7. Yeah. 6. 6. I'm thinking 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Oh, alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 6 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 7. Alright. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There, 3, no 3 in that box. One box left for the 3. Should be there. Alright. Then, so 2. Okay. Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 in these two boxes. There 2, no 2 in those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 6 over there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright, so we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6, alright. Alright. Then, then, 3, 5. 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between, the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. 8, 7. Yeah. How about the number? Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a, let me see, 2, okay. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Yeah. 9. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are in this big square. The 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 7 and a 4 here. So no 7 and a 4 in this box. The 7 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and an 8 are missing. 7 and an 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3. No. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes in this big square are reserved for the numbers 1 and 8. Still cannot fill this yet. Alright, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 boxes in this big square, the 8 and the 4. Still cannot fill this yet. 8 and the 4. How about 1, 2, 8, 7, 2, 8, 7, 7, 7, 7. Yes, 1 box left in this row for the number 7. Yes. 8, 4. I need a 4 here in this column. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be an 8. 4 in this first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 4. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 8 and 7. No, I cannot fill this yet. Wow. How about those 2 numbers? 1 and 7. No. 8 and 7. How about here, the 1 and the 8? In this column, no. 1, 8, and 2. Yes, 3 missing numbers. In this row, one of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left. In this row for the numbers 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 7. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. This is a 6, okay. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row, so the row between. The second row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. Okay, so 2 boxes left now in this big square for the numbers 7 and the 8. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8, the third row, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And these 2 numbers in this big square, the 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. Now we have 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. Finished in 18 minutes. Is this a 4-star Sudoku? No. A 1-star? No. A 2 stars? Yeah, because I'm faster than 20 minutes. For 3 stars, I need 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So I give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. A binary puzzle we have, and a tectonic with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.